back for another nigga. Rip it.
Jay.
Then we game tryna sell us a check. No, I got stomped like nigga, who next? Chili game, but I pull up with jets. Yellow got shot, bullets ripped through his chest. And I heard Jacob die with a vest. Minutes look for her, he switched on the set. And I heard Jacob die with a vest. Minutes look for her, he switched on the set. And I don't understand, speak facts. Jim Top Run got shots to his back. Bobby ran and got turned to a pack. Like who gon' spend, like come get back. Catch a flock and get put on some shirts. Been away, we gon' shoot up the hearse. Tell my bitch put the gun in her purse. Niggas don't live what they rap in they verse. Really thinking he ready to blitz. Thought the blue ran got caught, got tricked. Millie Rock got beat with a steady. He still ain't get back, he just pulls on the shit. So you know they don't live what they rap. Drilly gang, yeah, we know for the packs.
Говорим за това. Въпросът е как през една секунда буташ, брат.
Искаш ти покажа видеото?
В смисъл няма как, аз такова нещо не съм виждал вече доста време играя в 5M.
Не вече видя?
Аз си виждам логовете как 5 човека падат и двама, от които през една секунда бе.
А затова ли сме в изчакване да видиш как го е направил за една секунда ли бе, брат?
Да.
И аз не можах да повярвам, казвам ти.
He a faggot, he on the boat tryna move like a faggot. I heard Matty Ray, he a faggot, he on the boat tryna move like a faggot. And I keep me a new chop for the old odds, cause they still on dick. But I keep me an old chop for the new odds, cause they still ain't do shit. Tell them niggas get back cause it's lit. Tell them get back cause we smoke with J-Rip like. Tell them niggas get back cause it's lit. Tell them get back cause we smoke with J-Rip like.
Shoot first, got the top of my head, get the crew hurt. After that through the stuff, got his shoot first. He dead or alive, got a reverse. Moving, walking, I'ma pack you. Holler this brain, fuck it up, it's tattoo. Don't care who you when you get packed through, didn't even chase him, running out his damn shoes. These bitch niggas really came. Couple shots, make 'em levitate. Don't talk about the other day, frozen person and they even let it spray. And bitch, we don't hesitate. Back on top, bro, we gon' play today. Let her one watch her win a raid, bro. Through demon, gotta win them anyway. How you smoking no styles, you get my side. Smoking J-Rip, he got put in the sky. Shots to the chest, and the nigga went by. These niggas cap all they rap, shit lies.
Smoking on tech, and I smoking on dirt.